If you've ever used Telegram's saved messages as a quick place to store links, notes, screenshots, or reminders, and now you want to clean it up, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to delete saved messages on Telegram on your PC, step by step, in a way that's simple and fast. We'll cover how to delete one message, remove multiple messages at once, and clear the entire chat history if you want a complete reset. If this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your PC and make sure you're logged into the right account. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner of the app and click the hamburger icon, which is the three horizontal lines. This opens the main menu where you can access all of your chats and settings. From the menu, click on Saved Messages. This is your personal Telegram storage space where you may have saved messages over time. Now, if you only want to delete a specific message, right-click on that message. A menu will appear with different options. If you want to remove just that one message, click Delete. Telegram will usually ask you to confirm, so go ahead and approve the deletion if prompted. If you want to delete more than one message at the same time, right-click on a message and click Select. This lets you choose multiple messages instead of deleting them one by one. After selecting all the messages you want to remove, look for the Delete option and click it to clear them out together. This is really useful if you've saved a bunch of old links, temporary notes, or messages you no longer need. If your goal is to completely clear everything inside saved messages, then there's an even faster method. At the top right of the Saved Messages chat, click the three dot icon. From the drop-down menu, click Clear History. Telegram will then ask you to confirm that you want to remove the contents of this chat. Confirm the action, and your saved messages will be wiped clean. This is the best option if you want to start fresh and remove all saved content at once. Just keep in mind that once messages are deleted or history is cleared, they may not be easy to recover, so always double-check before confirming. And that's it. Now you know how to delete saved messages on Telegram, whether you want to remove one message, select a few, or clear the entire chat. If this tutorial made the process easier, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.